We have multi-speed function in Drive. So what is the benefit of multi-speed? Well, we can achieve 8, or if we have more terminals, we can use 16 speeds. Usually we do not require that much, but we have the facility. In programming, it is simple. We need to set two things. First, we need to assign which terminal to use. As shown in the image is an example. We have choice P3, P4 or P5 or a different scheme. Second is frequency assignment as shown at the right side as an example. However, we have a choice. We can put any frequency we like. Even we can repeat the frequencies. So if we follow the same wiring scheme, then we can follow the table to get the desired frequency. We can see first line, which is speed 0. If none of the multi-speed is selected, then speed 0 is enabled. Here I assign 0 Hz, but it is completely our choice. I can put 10 instead of 0 or 50 or 60 as per my choice. If I turn on the switch of P3, which is assigned speed L, then I get speed 1, which I assigned 5 Hz. Similarly for P4, I will get speed 2, but to go to speed 3, I have to turn on P3 and P4 together. Rest of the speeds could be achieved as shown in the table. So this way we are getting 8 speeds starting from speed 0 to speed 7. So now we will do practical for the same. So I have here wired switch 1 to P3, switch 2 to P4 and switch 3 to P5. I will press mode and I will press right to get to the IN group. Next I will scroll down to number 67 to assign P3 as speed L. This is 67 and I enter. Now before I assign P3, I will assign P5 speed H and P4 speed M and P3 speed L. Next I will press escape. Now terminal assignment is done. I will go to BAS group for frequency assignment and I will jump to parameter number 50. Now this parameter is speed 1. I will follow the table and I will set 5 Hz. Same for speed 2 10 Hz, speed 3 15 Hz, speed 4 20 Hz and speed 5 25 Hz, speed 6 30 Hz and speed 7 35 Hz. I will press escape to come to the main screen. Now before we begin, I will set the command source as keypad in DRV group. DRV number 6 I will set to keypad. Now speed 0 is 0 Hz as per our table. I pressed forward button but still the motor is not moving because it's speed 0. Next I will turn on switch number 1, which is for P3. So I'm getting speed number 1. Now I will turn off and put switch number 2 to on to get speed number 2. I will turn both switches on, switch 1 and switch 2, and we are getting speed number 3. And if I turn on the last switch, I get speed number 4. If I make combination of first and last switch, I get speed number 5. If I make combination of second last switch and the last switch, I'm getting speed number 6. And if I turn on all the switches, I'm getting speed number 7, that is 35 Hz. I will turn off all, and let's wait for it to get back to 0. Now I will assign speed 0 just for demonstration, 40 Hertz. And you see on the right side all switches are closed, but now I assigned speed 0 as 40, so it's ramping to 40 Hertz. And when I turn on, for example, switch number 2, it will get to 10 Hertz, which is speed number 2. So that was the demo for multi-speed.